Hello, my name is Lisa. Thanks for stopping by. And today is supposed to be the L video for the April ABC Challenge, but I couldn't think of anything. So my L video is going to be, let's see who won the 3 envelopes. All right, so we're going to spin for the first winner, and the first winner is Wendy, WVU fan 214. I'll be sending out a note to each of the winners, and all they'll need to do is send me their address through my email, and we'll get those envelopes out. All right, the second winner is going to be, dun, 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 Got Dairy. Such a fun name. All right, Got Dairy. Again, you'll have to just send me your address and I'll be able to send you the envelope. If one of the 3 winners doesn't respond within 48 hours, I will pick a replacement for them. So hopefully you'll be able to see this by that time, and let me know what your address is. All right, the third and last winner is April Adams, 7119. All right, very excited for all 3 of you to get an envelope, and be on the lookout to send me your address in my email. All right, that's going to be it for me today. As usual, I hope you all have a wonderful, creative day. Bye now.